I'm gonna now say bye to Jen because I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss you, JJ. So this is Janelle and I last day. We're waiting for the train so I can go to LaGuardia Airport, and I'm gonna miss her. I hope she'll come and look for me in Florida. And Janelle, you can miss me. Hopefully I come. Yeah. Janelle is sitting there looking really cool with her thing over her head. It's so nice of her to follow me to the train station because it's late and she have work tomorrow. So I'm really happy that she followed me. After she can go home and relax and rest for work for tomorrow.
The next stop is Gun Hill Road.
New York 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning, but I decided to leave my sister's house to go to the train station at about 8:30 because I didn't know if the train was going to be reliable, and I spent a very long time at the airport. Next time I don't think I would do that because now I know that it would be reliable to go to the train maybe 12 o'clock if you're going to take a 6 o'clock plane. But that's what I did because I didn't want to miss my flight back to Florida because it would hurt and Red would be so sad. So that's what I did, and I waited at the airport very long, but I relaxed. I watched some Netflix and everything, and it was really fun. So now I'm gonna board my plane after my long wait.
The larger items.
Here.
We are
I'm so tired. I just want to relax. Sleep all the way to Florida.
7:05 in service.
Right now, my seats is empty. My other two seats, and I hope it'll be empty so I can just lie down and spread out and sleep. Because I don't want anyone to come beside me. Because I'm so tired. I've been up all day yesterday, and I haven't slept yesterday. Because I got to the airport like 8 o'clock and I should be here for like maybe 3 o'clock in the morning, and because I didn't want to be late, I got to come out here early. So I need my sleep. I really need my sleep. There are people still coming in, so I feel like I'm wishing if I want the seat to other seat for myself because there's still a lot of people, and I think I'm not gonna get those two seats to lie down and sleep. But please, no one come here. I hope, because it's a big plane, so I hope they just go somewhere else. Just keep the seat and give me it, please. I need the sleep. But hopefully they will. But there are a lot more people, so I might not get it. I just have to take my little corner that I have right here and sleep right here in my corner. But I wish I could get like, let me show show you.
Two other seats. Second strip light on like this. I wish I could get a second light on like this while it's up in the air.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a short little video of what I was doing this week. It's not long, it's just a short little thing. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, remember to like and subscribe to see weekly videos. Bye.